Hello, good afternoon. I am Alokya. What's your name?
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Kshira Sagar.
And you?
And my name is R. Paramashri.
Oh, Shira Sagar. Can you talk to me about the movies that you regularly watch?
I watch both English and regional cinema, and I'm more inclined to films that are artistic rather than liking films that are commercial entertainers.
Okay. Pranavasari, why do you like to study?
Me, I like to study because I need to gain more knowledge.
Okay. Alright. How will you get knowledge?
By reading so many books which is interesting and
Okay.
regarding my subjects.
Okay, thank you very much, Pranavasari. Now, Shira Sagar, you are going to talk to us about your topic. Once you finish, Pranavasari will ask you a question, then I will ask you some more questions.
Yes, sir.
Would you like to begin?
Yes, sir.
Please start.
My topic is Mr. Sivaji Ganesan and his contributions to Indian cinema, or rather world cinema. Let's go back to the history of cinema, right? When Tamil cinema entered, like it was in the 1930s when films like Sita Kalyanam and other such films were released. All these films until 1952, until the release of Parashakti, Ganesan's first movie, all these films that were released earlier had the same plot. The plot was something like this: there was a hero, there was a villain, and there was a heroine. The hero would marry the heroine and he would kill the villain, and that was the plot with small changes in the storylines. But Mr. Ganesan took storylines that were completely different and that challenged the normal propaganda. Like he made a film called Andanal with no songs, and that was the first Tamil film that had no songs, and no other actor, let's say, of that period had the guts to do it. And most of the actors who were, big shots during that period, they were always elder than him. If you take Mr. MGR or Mr. SSR or Mr. Gemini Ganesan, all of these men were elder than Sivaji Ganesan. Yet Sivaji Ganesan outshined them and became one of the biggest stars in the industry. He was made the mayor of the New York for one day, and he was given the Golden Key. He was awarded the Third Order Chevalier Award in France, and he's even got Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan and many national awards. But he considered that he was under-recognized. His art, he was regarded as a great actor, but his works were always not so much appreciated. Like many of his films that had really good story were actual flops during that period. Instead, some stories that did not have much of a story, like Vasanta Maligai, became a great hit. But films like other films that were more artistic, that had a better story, did not do well at the box office, because of which his career at times dipped, but he always remained a superstar.
Okay, thank you very much for talking to us about Shivaji Ganesan.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, Pranavasari, please ask him a question.
Do you think any actor like Shivaji Ganesan is now in Tamil cinema?
No actor can be Sivaji Ganesan, but I think Mr. Kamal Hassan is a wonderful actor who does great acting.
Okay, so as you said, Shivaji is a prodigy of his own time. So now, do you see any such elements in the film industry like that of Shivaji Ganesan now in the contemporary society?
Yes, sir. There are many actors. Even recently, there's an actor in Tamil cinema. Recently there's an actor called Vijay Sethupathi who's doing wonderful films.
Okay.
But all his wonderful films are not so much appreciated. I think they need more appreciation.
Okay, they need to be encouraged much more. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
For your sharing. Now, Pranavasari, you are going to talk to us about your topic. When you are finished, you will ask a question, then I will ask you some more questions. Would you like to begin?
Yes, sir.
Please start.
Now I am going to start my topic, one of my most memorable moment in my life till now, sir. So my first memorable moment was my first basketball district level match.
Okay.
I think I was 13 years old when I played my first basketball match.
Yeah.
I can never forget that experience. I had my first basketball match in Dharmaburi. Then the match day was just perfect. A partly sunny day with a very clear sky. The match began at 8 a.m. But we had a match at afternoon 12 p.m. But I was very nervous because it was my first regional match and this is very important to my career. So I tried to play good, but I was nervous. So in my starting of my first quarter, I was very nervous and I can't play my match very well. But my coach, Mr. Rakesh, had called me aside and gave me a confidence, and that confidence made me to score 20 baskets in next two quarters, and we won the match.
Okay.
That made me to play for now state level matches and going to play for Tamil Nadu in next year.
Oh, very nice, Pranav Sri, for sharing with us. Now, can you ask him a question, Shirasa?
Yes, sir. Have you played any other matches after? Can you give me a list of the matches you played after your first district level match?
First district level match. After I played so many matches, nearly 20 plus.
Have you played for the state?
State 2 matches.
Great, that's great.
Can you tell me about one of the most difficult shots that you make in the basketball game?
Me, sir. Actually, I'm not a three-pointer. I'm a forward player. So I need to cross four people, at least four people who defends us. So I tried to go forward to them and made to convert the basket.
So for you, the difficult point is 3 points.
No, sir, 3 points is not 3 points. 3 point is easy, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Close by you, it's difficult for you.
Yes, sir. Because so many members will come to defend us, but it is tough.
Okay, thank you very much. Now we are going to the next task. I have got a card which has some information about a problem. I shall read it to you once. You two can read it and then discuss how this problem can be solved. The canteen manager has complained to your class teacher about the undisciplined behavior of some of your classmates. Your class teacher has asked you as a class monitor to think of suitable measure to solve the problem. With your partner, discuss your suggestions. Yeah, start.
What do you think can be done about this? About maintaining discipline in canteen?
I think we can see what they are doing, and according to them, we can complain to the principal or take action about it, like collecting fines, etc.
And do you think collecting fines will actually help? Because there have been other situations where students are made to pay fine, but they just take it very easily. So, is there something else that can be done?
Something else.
Like we can call the parents or something. Is that an option?
Yeah, calling the parents, it is a good option because they will try to
Control the
control
emotions
the
and
children.
make things
Make
right. So we have to make students pay fine, or if they do not get, if the problem is still not solved, then we call
can
the
call
parents.
parents. Yeah.
Okay. So is that solution okay?
Do you think that any other awareness program would help them?
Yes, sir. Definitely.
For example, we have got something called Swachh Bharat in our country.
Yes.
Can it be incorporated into your campaign?
So definitely, we can ask the students during our assembly. We can ask them to, we can tell them about our Prime Minister's Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, and
How do you make it possible?
Awareness, giving awareness.
What will I do in order to bring it about?
we can put up posters on the school notice board,
Okay, that is one solution.
and then we can go to each and every class and tell the students
Okay.
individually to
Okay.
And saying the problems, what are caused because of this.
You have to explain it to them.
Explain it to them.
So they are so young, they may not be able to understand.
So we can, if they are clean, we can maybe give them a playtime every twice in a week.
Okay, so,
So
you
that
can become friendly with them.
Yes, so that
After that, they would obey you. Yes or no?
Yes,
we
sir.
can give them a bait.
Do you agree with him?
Yes, sir. I
Why
agree.
do you agree, man?
So because if we go favor with them, they will confirm. Need to go.
So first you have to get them in line,
Yes, sir.
and for that you have to go behind them.
Yes, sir.
Okay, suppose all this don't work out, what will you do?
So if nothing works out, then at least we'll make sure that Mike, at least
Can
Mike
you get
has.
some help of elders?
Of course, so the teachers would definitely assist us. They're doing it. It's happening in
Okay,
our
stop that. That's the end of your assessment. Goodbye.